14 and I'm addicted to so many bad stuff. I'm addicted to pot, pills. Remember that time I told you I was gonna go sleep over at Alex's house? I didn't. I slept on a jail cell because I was caught doing heroin. I once heard this poem saying all of these stuff. A guy admitting to his mom, and it made me think twice. It made me thank God for a good mom. Thank you, Mom, for being the best. There is no woman out there that can do the job that you do. I swear to God, if it wasn't for you, I would probably be like that guy in the poem. So thank you for showing me to take the good path in life. There is no words that can explain how much I thank you and how much I love you. Mamá, eres la mejor en este mundo. No hay ninguna mamá que pueda hacer el trabajo que tú haces. Me enseñaste a nunca darme por vencido y luchar para siempre tener lo bueno. And I have to thank you for that time I was going to surgery and I had 3 IVs and tons of wires all over my body. And you told me everything was going to be okay. When everything was going wrong, you showed me to choose the good things over the bad things. I just want to thank you for being the best mom. Te amo, mamá.